Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Amethyst Street in the Lakeshore neighborhood of New Orleans, Louisiana, a residential area known for its calm streets, tree-lined avenues, and views toward the scenic Lake Pontchartrain. This neighborhood is part of a broader lakeshore district that developed primarily in the mid-20th century as New Orleans expanded northward from the historic city center. Driving along Amethyst Street, you'll notice a mix of single-family homes, many with classic mid-century architectural styles, along with well-maintained lawns and mature trees. The lakeshore area grew rapidly after World War II as returning veterans and their families sought suburban housing within easy reach of the city. Roads like Amethyst Street were laid out during this period to accommodate the new suburban lifestyle, emphasizing accessibility and community planning. The neighborhood's location near Lake Pontchartrain has long been a draw for residents, offering both natural beauty and recreational opportunities. In addition to residential development, the area benefited from improved infrastructure over the decades, including drainage canals and levee projects, which have been vital in protecting the neighborhood from flooding, a constant concern in New Orleans' low-lying terrain. Amethyst Street also connects to local parks, schools, and small commercial corridors, reflecting how suburban streets in New Orleans balance quiet residential life with accessibility to daily needs. The steady flow of traffic here is typical of a well-established neighborhood, with residents commuting to nearby business districts or heading into the city proper. This drive offers a window into everyday life in one of the city's quieter, picturesque neighborhoods, reminding viewers that New Orleans' story extends far beyond its historic core. Whether you're exploring for its history, architecture, or lakeside scenery, Amethyst Street in the Lakeshore neighborhood provides a peaceful, authentic New Orleans experience. Thanks for watching!